how to accept Venmo payments, how to receive money on Venmo. So if you have the Venmo app and someone, maybe your friends or family, wants to send you money, how do you accept or receive payment? Now, to receive money on Venmo, you can simply share your Venmo username, phone number, or QR code with customers or whoever you're trying to receive money from. Once they send the money, it will automatically be added to your Venmo balance. You can then leave the balance in your Venmo account or transfer it to a linked bank account or debit card. Now, to add a bank account to your Venmo profile, you can open the Venmo app and log into your account. Tap on the three lines in the top left corner of the screen and select payment methods. Select add a bank or card and then tap on bank, then add your bank details. You don't need to formally accept the payment to receive money on Venmo. If someone has sent you, it will automatically be added. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.